Every project looks easy in your head until small mistakes slow you down and messy cuts ruin the finish. And that's exactly where EWORK steps in. Today's video reveals 20 tools that make your projects faster and cleaner. Tools professionals rely on to save time and get precision results. And every official Amazon link is available in the description. Don't skip, because one of these tools might fix a problem you've been fighting with for years. Woodpeckers gauge blocks. You're setting up a cut or dialing in a fence, and measuring the same distance again and again slowly eats up your time. Woodpeckers gauge blocks are made to remove that repetition completely. Machined to precise dimensions, these blocks let you set heights, depths, and spacing instantly without reaching for a tape or caliper. You simply place the block, lock your tool, and move on. In real shop work, this means fewer adjustments and more consistent results. For woodworkers who value accuracy and speed, these gauge blocks quietly turn setup time into productive time. GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig. Table saw jig guide. You're ripping narrow strips on a table saw, and keeping them consistent while staying safe can feel stressful. The GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig. Table saw jig guide is designed to make that process controlled and repeatable. It mounts to the table saw fence and uses a bearing to guide each cut at a fixed distance from the blade. This allows you to produce uniform thin strips without constantly resetting the fence. In real projects like edge banding or trim work, it saves time and improves safety, delivering clean, identical cuts with far less effort. Wolfcraft 619-7000 Jigsaw Table. You're trying to cut small or detailed pieces with a handheld jigsaw, and keeping the cut straight feels harder than it should. The Wolfcraft 619-7000 Jigsaw Table turns a standard jigsaw into a compact tabletop cutting station. Once mounted underneath, the jigsaw stays fixed while you guide the material from above, giving you far better control and cleaner cuts. It's especially useful for curved shapes and fine work where precision matters. For DIYers and hobbyists, this table transforms a basic jigsaw into a more accurate and efficient workshop tool. Hedgehog Push Block. You're feeding wood through a table saw or jointer, and control matters just as much as safety. The Hedgehog Push Block is designed to give you both without slowing your workflow. Its grippy underside holds the workpiece firmly, helping keep it stable as it moves past the blade. The ergonomic handle keeps your hands at a safe distance while maintaining steady downward pressure. In real shop use, this means smoother cuts and fewer kickback risks. For woodworkers focused on clean results and safer operation, this push block quickly becomes a tool you reach for every day. EWORK Bench Dog Clamps. You're gluing up a panel or sanding a workpiece, and traditional clamps keep getting in the way. EWORK Bench Dog Clamps are designed to work seamlessly with bench dog holes, holding material flat and secure without cluttering your workspace. They drop straight into the bench and apply steady pressure exactly where it's needed. In real projects, this means faster setups and easier access to the surface you're working on. For woodworkers who want cleaner glue-ups and uninterrupted sanding or routing, these clamps make bench work feel more efficient and controlled. Virutex Cutting Machine RZ270S. You're trimming panels or cutting materials where a rough edge instantly ruins the final look. The Virutex Cutting Machine RZ270S is built for clean, controlled cutting in professional woodworking and fabrication environments. It delivers smooth, precise cuts that reduce chipping and minimize the need for rework. In real-world use, this means faster production and a cleaner finish straight off the cut. The machine is designed for consistent performance, making it reliable during repeated operations. For workshops that value accuracy and time efficiency, this cutting machine helps maintain quality while keeping projects moving forward. Woodraphic Professional Dual Function. Vernier Calipers. You're fitting joints or checking material thickness, and even a small measurement error can throw the whole project off. The Woodraphic Professional Dual Function Vernier Calipers are designed to bring clarity and confidence to those moments. They allow you to measure internal, external, and depth dimensions accurately using a clear, easy-to-read scale. In real workshop use, this means fewer guesses and better fitting parts on the first try. The solid build feels dependable in hand, making it suitable for regular use. For makers who care about clean results, These calipers turn precision into a habit rather than a struggle. Blockcision setup. Blocks woodworking tools. You're setting blade height, router depth, or fence distance, and adjusting by eye wastes time and leads to inconsistency. Blockcision setup. Blocks are designed to make these setups fast and repeatable. Each block is precision machined to a fixed dimension, so you simply place the block, set the tool, and lock it in. In real shop work, this eliminates constant measuring and rechecking. Your setups become predictable, and your cuts come out cleaner from the first pass. For woodworkers who want speed without sacrificing accuracy, these setup blocks quietly improve every stage of the project. Wolfcraft 3D Mitre Angle. You're dealing with trim or molding where two angles meet, and guessing the correct cut almost always leads to gaps. The Wolfcraft 3D Mitre Angle is built to solve that problem by capturing the exact angle directly from the corner. It transfers that measurement straight to your miter saw, helping you cut accurately on the first attempt. In real projects, this saves material and eliminates repeated test cuts. For finish work where clean joints matter, this tool turns complex angles into simple, repeatable cuts that look professional every time. Dremel 231, portable rotary tool, shaper and router table. You're shaping small edges or cutting fine details, and holding a rotary tool by hand just doesn't give enough control. The Dremel 231 portable shaper and router table turns your rotary tool into a compact tabletop system designed for precision work. It allows controlled routing, edging, and shaping on small pieces where accuracy really matters. In real projects like sign making or detailed trim work, this setup delivers smoother results with less effort. For makers who already use rotary tools, this table expands what they can do while keeping cuts clean and consistent. Woodpeckers Rabbet gauges. You're cutting rabbets for cabinet backs or drawer joints, and checking depth over and over slows everything down. Woodpeckers Rabbet gauges are designed to make those setups quick and exact. Each gauge is machined to a precise thickness, letting you set saw blades or router bits instantly without measuring or test cuts. In real shop use, this means your rabbets fit right the first time, with clean shoulders and consistent depth. For woodworkers who care about tight joinery and efficient setups, these gauges quietly remove guesswork and help every joint come together exactly as planned. Kreg inline clamp. You're positioning a face frame or holding pieces together during assembly, and traditional clamps keep pushing parts out of alignment. The Kreg inline clamp is designed to apply pressure in a straight, controlled line, keeping your work perfectly positioned. It fits into a pocket hole or drilled hole and clamps from the inside, leaving the outside surface clear. In real-world builds, this means tighter joints and fewer adjustments before fastening. For cabinet making and furniture projects, this clamp helps parts stay exactly where you want them, making assemblies faster, cleaner, and far more accurate. Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge. You're working with irregular angles on trim, furniture, or framing, and trying to read them with a standard protractor wastes time. The Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge is built to capture and transfer angles accurately without complicated calculations. You place it against the corner, lock it in position, and carry that exact angle straight to your saw or layout work. In real projects, this means fewer test cuts and cleaner joints on the first try. For woodworkers and DIYers dealing with non-standard angles, this tool turns tricky measurements into confident, repeatable cuts. Rockler Precision Mitre Gauge. You're cutting miters on a table saw, and even a slight inaccuracy shows up immediately in the final joint. The Rockler Precision Mitre Gauge is designed to bring control and repeatability to those critical cuts. It locks solidly into the miter slot and allows fine angle adjustments, helping you dial in accurate settings without guesswork. In real shop work, this leads to tighter joints and cleaner assemblies, especially on frames and boxes. For woodworkers who want consistent, professional-looking miters, this gauge turns careful setup into reliable, repeatable results. Milescraft 4016 BenchLock. You're routing, sanding, or drilling a small workpiece, and trying to hold it steady with one hand instantly compromises both safety and accuracy. The Milescraft 4016 BenchLock is designed to secure smaller pieces firmly to your workbench without complicated clamping. It mounts easily and locks the workpiece in place, giving you full control of the tool instead of fighting movement. In real projects, this means cleaner cuts, smoother edges, and safer operation. For woodworkers who want faster setups and better control during detail work, this BenchLock becomes a simple but powerful upgrade. The mini Hedgehog hold-down featherboard. You're feeding stock through a table saw or router table, and even slight movement can affect cut quality. The mini Hedgehog hold-down featherboard is designed to keep material pressed firmly and consistently against the fence and table. Its flexible rollers apply steady downward pressure without marking the wood, helping prevent chatter and kickback. In real shop use, this results in smoother cuts and more consistent profiles, especially on narrow or delicate pieces. For woodworkers focused on clean edges and safer feeds, this featherboard adds quiet control that makes every pass feel more predictable. Neoteck Aluminum Digital Angle Finder. You're setting blade angles on a table saw or dialing in a miter cut, and relying on markings alone just isn't accurate enough. The Neoteck Aluminum Digital Angle Finder is designed to give you precise digital readings that remove guesswork completely. Its magnetic base attaches securely to metal surfaces, allowing hands-free measurements on blades and fences. The clear digital display makes angles easy to read at a glance. In real workshop use, this means faster setups and cleaner, more accurate cuts. For woodworkers who demand precision, this tool turns exact angles into a simple, repeatable process. Woodraphic Dovetail Guide. You're cutting dovetails by hand, and even a slight angle mistake can ruin the joint's fit and appearance. The Woodraphic Dovetail Guide is designed to keep your saw aligned at the correct angle every time. It clamps securely to the workpiece and guides the saw for clean, straight, and repeatable cuts. In real workshop use, this removes hesitation and reduces rework, especially when learning or producing multiple joints. For woodworkers who want crisp dovetails without relying purely on muscle memory, this guide brings confidence, consistency, and cleaner joinery to the bench. Microjig GRR-RIPPER 2 GO. You're ripping narrow stock on a table saw, and keeping your hands safe while maintaining control is always a concern. The Microjig GRR-RIPPER 2GO is designed to give you stable, controlled pressure directly over the cut line. Its adjustable design lets it grip different stock sizes securely, helping reduce kickback and improve cut quality. In real shop work, this means smoother rips and more confidence on challenging cuts. For woodworkers who value both safety and precision, this push block turns risky passes into controlled, repeatable operations with cleaner results. Virutex CO15L Laminate Cutter. You're trimming laminate or thin panel material, and rough edges instantly ruin an otherwise clean project. The Virutex CO15L Laminate Cutter is built specifically for straight, chip-free cuts in laminate and similar materials. It allows controlled cutting without dust, heavy tools, or complex setups. In real-world use, this speeds up finishing work and delivers clean edges that need little to no rework. For installers and workshop professionals, this cutter simplifies laminate trimming while maintaining a high-quality finish that looks precise and intentional. If these tools helped you imagine faster setups and cleaner results in your own projects, hit the like button so this kind of content reaches more makers. Drop a comment and tell us which tool you'd add to your workshop first. And subscribe to AU Techverse for honest, practical tool reviews that actually improve how you work.